To use these, you just go around the bucket. You slowly pry the bucket, just kind of gradually going around every part of the lid until the lid comes off. And I tell you what, the last time I tried to open my wheat bucket and I didn't have one of these, I seriously was about to give up, just throw the whole bucket away. It took me about 4 or 5 minutes just kind of trying to pry it open. I did try to get a screwdriver. That didn't really help out. I didn't know at the time that these existed. These things are amazing. They make opening a bucket lid so much easier. Now, they were sent to me so I could make this video. I must admit, like, they don't really make opening a bucket lid super easy. Like, you still kind of have to pry it open. You still have to go around gradually, but it makes it infinitely more easy than trying to use your hand or a screwdriver or something like that. I've tried using 2 of these at a time. Maybe it helped a little bit, but honestly, it's just kind of one of those slow and steady things. Just go all the way around the bucket lid. It's not going to come off the first time. Go all the way around again, and it usually comes off the second time. Really nice to have a tool like these if you have buckets. These are really inexpensive and definitely worth it.